Um, it's me. I was just gonna make a video about stuff that's going, like videos on YouTube right now. One video that's pretty big right now is the Antoine Dawson video. If you are, I always mess it up. Antoine Dodson. Um, if you follow our other channel, you'll know what I'm talking about. But just go to CyberJ to check out, because I don't really feel like talking about it right now. I'm just being lazy. And another thing was um, Justin Bieber. He got hit in the head with a water bottle. That was hilarious because I hate him so much. I just hate him. I'll probably post a video about why I hate him. But yeah, probably on CyberJ though. So check out that, and yeah, don't forget to